Hello everyone and welcome to the EIT Innovation Ecosystem Platform. This platform is a tool created by Dealroom, a global provider of data and intelligence on startups and tech ecosystems. In this video, we will examine the platform's capabilities and discuss use cases for different types of users. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. This page contains an interactive map of Europe, and users can examine specific regions in order to receive relevant data. Just below the map are data cards, which can be edited and changed by the user to create a personalized space, updating whenever new and interesting companies are added to the database. In the curated content page, users will find suggestions for search patterns specific to verticals or locations within the ecosystem. This way, new users can find what they're looking for quickly and easily. The company search tool allows users, such as investors and governments, to look for companies in a multitude of ways. First, the search bar just above the company list allows for a free search, for example fintech. The list can also be sorted via any of the columns. A special feature of the platform is the ability to create landscapes, a shareable, visual representation of a specific search. Users can also save their searches, creating a living document that will update whenever a new company that matches the search terms is added to the database. The advanced search tool allows users to narrow down their search, using data points such as industries, timelines, size and valuation, funding history, founder background, impact goals, patents and much more. Users can also look for specific companies via the top search bar. When examining a specific company, users are able to see its tags, basic information, funding history, recent news, analytics, tech stack and team. A unique feature for Dealroom platforms is the Dealroom signal. This is an indicator for the investment readiness of a company, as well as a way to keep an eye out for up-and-coming, exciting startups. In Investor Search, users can look at investors' history and current portfolio by location, industry, and even preferred rounds. Funding rounds data is presented across a timeline, and users can search for specific industries, stages, years, and much more. Clicking a specific year will result in a list of all deals done in that year. Exit data work the same, with all search options available. The platform also showcases data for EIT partners such as academic institutes, corporates, government, and nonprofits. Dealroom's unique matching tool allows startups to look for their next investor by indicating their company, amount to be raised, round type and investor type. With the investment heat map tool, users can view macro data about the ecosystem, shown by industries and other aspects of investing. This data can be translated to graphs and charts. Thank you for listening, and we hope you've enjoyed this presentation. We encourage you to log into the EIT ecosystem platform, claim your companies and enjoy the wealth of data presented here.